All right, now we're going to be dividing a decimal by a whole number. So, if the dividend is a decimal number, now let's make sure I have my pen ready. Like 161 and 12/10 divided by, let's say, 38. So our dividend goes under the umbrella. The first number gets the umbrella, and the other one stays outside. So this is just like dividing normally by a double-digit number, except that we have a decimal right here in the dividend. So what we need to do is move the decimal straight up into the quotient line, and then we can divide just like normal. So I'm going to round this 38 and say it's about 40. All right, so I know 4 times, this is in my mind, 4 times 4 equals 16. So 40 times 4 equals 160, and that is going to get me really close to that 161. Now, because my estimate is larger than my actual divisor, the 4 is going to be just fine. Now, you need to make sure that when you write the 4 in the quotient line, it's right above the 1 in the divisor. A lot of times, students will put their 4 too far over in this direction, and then because we're dealing with a decimal, it gets all out of whack. So we do 4 times 8 is 32. So we put down the 2, carry the 3. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 more is 15. And then we will subtract and get 9. Bring down the 1. And so now you can see we're moving behind the decimal. So now my next digit in the quotient is going to be behind the decimal. So 38 goes into 91 2 times, and I can guess that because my estimate of 40 times 2 is going to be 80, and that gets me pretty close to 91. So I do 2 times 8 is 16, put down the 6, and then carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. And then I subtract, and I get 15. And then I bring down the 2. And now I have 152 divided by 38. And so now if I use that 40 as my estimate, I can see that, oh, last time I did 4 groups right here, I got 152. And that happens to be the exact number that I'm looking for. So we divide just like normal, except for that first step of moving the decimal into the quotient line. I hope this helps with your understanding of dividing by decimals. If you have any questions, write them down and make sure and send them to me in an email or in a Google Meet, and have a great day.